Hello children, today I am going to explain you how to calculate the formal charge in ozone molecule. So to calculate the formal charge in ozone molecule. Actually, what is formal charge? Formal charge is the charge which is carried by each atom in a molecule or a radical, individual charge on each atom. Like ozone is made up of three oxygen atoms. So first you should know how to write the Louis dot structure. In my last video, I explained you how to write the Louis dot structure. So according to that, first you need to know how to write the Louis dot structure. So when we write the Louis dot structure for ozone, you will have three oxygen atoms where this is the distribution of it. For further knowledge like how to write the Louis dot structure, you can refer my previous videos. So that's how we'll write the Louis dot structure for ozone. Right now our target is to calculate the formal charge. Formal charge means individual charge on each oxygen atom. So since in this particular molecule all the atoms are identical like oxygen atoms, so how we will distinguish, we'll give numbering to each oxygen atom, oxygen number 1, 2 and 3. Now first let me tell you what is the formula for to calculate the formal charge. So formal charge is equal to V minus L minus half into S. So this is the formula which you need to use to calculate the formal charge on each atom, where V is representing the number of valence shell electrons in free atom. Whichever atom's formal charge you are calculating, you will count the total number of valence electron. L is representing total number of shared total number of non-bonding electrons. Non-bonding electrons, or you can say lone pair of electrons we are talking about. Okay, and S is representing total number of shared electrons, or you can say bonding electrons. Okay, bonding electrons. So now let's see that how we are going to find out the formal charge in oxygen number 1. So we have oxygen number 1 whose formal charge we are calculating, right? To calculate this, so first find out, to calculate the formal charge is equal to, what is the valence electron of electrons in oxygen atom when it is in free uncombined state? That is 6 minus how many lone pair, you should not take pair, you will take non-bonding electrons, right? Total non-bonding electrons are 2 minus half into, now tell me how many shared electrons are there. So in this bond 2 electron, this bond 2 electron, and in this bond also we have 2 electrons. So 2, 4, 6. So shared electrons are 6. So 2 3s are 6. It will become how much you are getting? Plus 1. 3, 2. Yeah, this is plus 1 you are getting. Now calculate the formal charge on second oxygen atom. Now when you are calculating the formal charge on second oxygen atom, that will be how much? Again, oxygen atom is having in free state total valence electron is 6 minus how many bonding electrons this time you have? 2 and 2, total 4 minus half into, now how many shared electrons you have with this oxygen and this oxygen? 2 in this bond, 2 in this bond, so total 4 electrons, right? So 2 2s are 4 and then 6 and 6 minus 6 0. So in the second atom we got 0 formal charge, and if you see third oxygen atom, in the third oxygen atom this 3 is representing the number of atoms. Okay, numbering we are giving. So formal charge is equal to, in the third atom how will you calculate the formal charge? Yeah, so count the total electrons in the valence shell. Oxygen in free atom will be 6 minus how many electrons are there? Bonding electrons 2, 4, 6. Sorry, non-bonding electrons, right? Total non-bonding electrons are total 6 minus half into bonding electrons are, in this bond you will have only 2 electrons, so 2. So 2 2 cancel. You have 2, 4, 6, and half into bonding or shared electrons. You have only 2 in number. So when you are calculating 2 in number, 2, 2 get cancelled, and you will get 6 minus this one will become 5, and 6 minus 5 you are getting here minus 1, right? This will become minus 1, minus 7 and 6. Yeah. So you are getting minus 1. So what did you notice that in oxygen number 1 our formal charge is plus 1. Oxygen number 2 we got 0. In third oxygen we are getting minus 1. So actually if you see all together, ozone molecule is not carrying any charge. Why? Because overall there is no charge. If you take the sum of all the formal charges, that is plus 1 plus 0 minus 1, so it will become 0, neutral. So there is no charge on ozone molecule, but formal charge is calculated for an individual atom even though the molecule is neutral, but every oxygen is carrying some charge, that is called its formal charge. That is what you need to calculate, right? Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching my video.